Hi traders, we are going to discuss or do some sector analysis, and yes, I'm not going to edit this video, so if I make mistake do spare. Let's start. So it's a chart of Nifty and today is 20th March, close 7 p.m. Nifty is above 50-day moving average and is showing a good strength as we can see. Okay, do beware that it may just pull back somewhat, and we expect that it should not go below this range, or if it goes, it just quickly moves above it. Okay, so if Nifty wants to move higher, it has to be above this. It has to show strength above this, or the best way would be to undercut it and just close above it. Okay, but yes, pullback is highly, you can say, expected, because market does not moves like this way. Okay, so Nifty is well above 50-day moving average. Let's move to CNX 500. It's just barely above 50-day moving average. Okay, sorry, bank nifty is again well above 50-day moving average, so Nifty and bank nifty both are strong. Okay, if you see the oil and gas, okay, you can see the sector here. Okay, here is the cursor. So Nifty oil and gas, it is just crossed the 50-day moving average. Okay, infra infra sector and housing sector. Let me show the chart of housing as well. Okay, here is the housing. So if you can see, the infra and housing are good. It's just above, moving along with the Nifty, and it's showing strength. And you can see the chart of, you can say, Bajaj Home Finance and I believe DLF as well. So some of these stock related to infra is showing good strength. Okay, so you can check on those stocks. So okay, we done the infra. Auto sector is below 50-day moving average, but I could see some stocks like Force Motor. Okay, Force Motor, let me open. I just traded this stock here when it broke out of 200-day moving average, and it's working well. So it's auto sector, but it's showing a good strength. Though the auto sector is not showing strength, that chart shows that strength. And I believe Bajaj Auto was also a good one. Bajaj Auto. No, it's not that good. Okay, so auto sector is not that good, but yes, Force Motor, one of my position, is doing good. Let's hope for a good as well. FMCG is just below 50-day moving average. It's not that is like having that strength. IT sector is the weakest one as of now. It was showing strength up till there when the Nifty was falling, and now it is showing weakness. Okay, Nifty Media is trying to catch up with the Nifty below 50-day moving average. Consumer durable is similar. We discussed the metal stock or the metal sector here, I believe. Okay, you can refer to the chart. Sorry, previous videos. We referred here that it is showing strength, and now you can see it's just above 200-day moving average. Though the Nifty is just above 50-day moving average and below 200-day moving average, CNX metal is showing a good strength, and you can see this strength on JSW Steel, Tata Steel, I believe Sandur Manganese. You can say, see how good the chart is. It's just I believe crossed the 50-day, or it's near to its 52-week high. Sorry, 52-week high. 52-week high. Okay. I tried to add this stock on this day when it crossed the 52-week high. I believe, yeah, not exactly 52-week high, but this consolidation. Okay, but I couldn't catch up with that, and it just opened a gap earlier. And Tata Steel is also a good one. We can see it's like the JSW Steel again. I tried to just again try to buy here, but it just opened in a wide gap. Sandur Manganese is something I believe can be bought if it crosses like this area. Maybe it's showing a volume, good volume, but the volume dryness is here. It should be having a good volume at this candles, but it's lacking this. That's why I'm not much interested in Sandur Manganese. But yeah, it's a steel stock and may go higher. So okay, it's about healthcare. Healthcare is below 200-day moving average but above 50-day moving average. It might be showing strength. You can see the back to back increase with not kind of a gap up. It has catch up with that, so it's good. It's showing a strength. Reality sector. Okay, if you contrast reality sector versus infra and housing, infra housing is showing strength, but reality is not. That means infrastructure is going to, or the stocks which are under the infrastructure or housing, maybe housing finance, infrastructure, road, tunnels, and those type of companies are going to do well. But the reality sector is not going to do well. It may mean like that. Okay, it's just an assumption, not a conclusive, you can say, recommendation or something. Pharma sector, as we saw the healthcare as well, pharma and healthcare is trying to catch up. Energy sector is also good, trying to catch up with Nifty. EV sector below, I believe, 50-day moving average. Finance sector, as we discussed, I believe lots of times in my previous video, we discussed the Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Muthoot Finance, and I believe Shriram Finance as well. So we discussed most of the stocks, and now those are, I believe, 52-week high, near to 52-week high. So see, it's above 200-day moving average and showing good strength. Okay, let's see the Bajaj Finserv. I'm trying to just buy it if it crosses this. So here, see, we discussed this. This is just you can say a flush back or shake off kind of these things. 3 times of shake off. Okay, it's just trying to catch up with 52-week high. I believe it's a good buy if it crosses this line with a strength. Of course, you can see the volume. Its volume is good. And what I said, Chola Mandalam holding, it's also trying to catch up with that. It's a good one. And Shriram Finance, Shriram, Muthoot Finance did well, I believe. It's just like that. Muthoot, I believe, won in the race. See, I believe we were discussing here or somewhat here, I believe, that it is showing a stand. It's near to 52-week high. It just increased like this. Okay, just kind of a pullback here. We can add if it crosses this line. A good stop, I believe. It's showing a strength here. Okay, so private bank is also looking strong, showing strength. Do watch out for ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is something showing a good strength. Let's see if we can add here or somewhere. It was a buy here, I believe. This was a little gap. If we draw a line here and just bought it here, let's pull back somewhat, or may try to catch up when it reaches there or tries to go off the 52-week high. We can try. Okay, it's showing a good strength. Volume is good, but we want a greater volume, like this volume, like this volume. We want a volume like this. Okay, PSU Bank is quite lagging. Don't consider any stock from the PSU Bank unless it is itself showing strength. Okay, but the PSU Bank sector is not showing strength. We discussed the housing. We discussed IPO is not good as of now. Okay, let's see some of my open position. As I told you, I just bought Force Motor here. It's showing a strength. Today I bought SBI card. I believe just on break of this, because you can see high. It was rejecting this price and now it just crossed it. So I bought it. I believe one of the trade was a Panti feed as well. I just bought on cross of it, but it's showing stand. I believe it needs some more days here. Okay. And one more was Narayana Hridayalaya. It again was showing trying to break out of 52-week heights. It's high. Okay, so I believe I bought here. It's showing strength. Let's see how it goes. And my stop loss is again the buy point. Okay, so do ensure that it's not a recommendation. First of all, the second thing is, whatever you buy, just try to keep a 3% stop loss, or as the stock moves higher, just keep your buy point as a stop loss. Don't invest without keeping a stop loss. Okay, it's kind of you're throwing all of your money in a fire, or something like that. Okay, so do ensure for that. Again, it's not a recommendation. And for the stock recommendation, you can check out this my Twitter. Okay, I just made a post and was making some posts yesterday as well, and again. So on my watch list there are four stocks: SRF, Jindal, Penin, Sarda Energy. You can watch out this. Okay, I used to share my trades and my watch list as well. Okay, so I just yesterday shared, I believe 22 hours ago, Avanti feed, and today I bought it. So do watch out this, and if you like to follow, you can follow. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.